Welcome to the Wii Robot Party.
Tesla just unveiled a 50,000-ton Giga press, the largest die-casting machine on Earth, and it can build the main structure of a car in just 5 seconds. This changes everything about how cars are made forever. Let's break down how this beast works, why it's a total game changer, and what it means for the future of EVs. What even is a Giga press? Alright, let's clear things up. Before we get too hyped about the 50,000-ton version, let's talk about what a Giga press even is. Imagine the biggest waffle maker you've ever seen. Now multiply that by 1,000 and fill it with molten metal. That's kind of what we're dealing with here. A Giga press is this gigantic die-casting machine, a massive mold that shapes huge chunks of a car out of molten aluminum. And when I say massive, I mean it's the size of a small house. The Italian company IDRA makes these things, and they've been building high-tech casting equipment for years. Now here's where it gets spicy. Tesla asked IDRA for something next level, a die-casting machine that could replace dozens of small parts with one giant cast piece. Enter the Giga press. Tesla's first one was 6,000 tons, and they used it to create the rear underbody of the Model Y. That single part used to be made from over 70 different metal pieces welded and bolted together. Now, one solid chunk. Game changer. Fast forward to today and boom, 50,000 tons. This isn't just another press. This thing is an absolute titan. It's designed to potentially cast both the front and rear of a car, maybe even the entire underbody, in one go. Why does that matter? Because fewer parts mean fewer mistakes, faster production, better safety, and, yep, cheaper cars. Tesla's not just building cars anymore. They're rewriting the whole manufacturing playbook. Oh, and while IDRA's playing it coy about who ordered this mega press, come on, it's Tesla. Elon's been dropping hints, job listings are popping up in Giga, Mexico, and the timelines match perfectly. This is the future of car building, and Tesla's already living in it. How the heck does this thing work? Okay, let's break this down like we're watching one of those oddly satisfying factory videos on YouTube. First, Tesla melts aluminum, like a lot of it. We're talking about temperatures hot enough to melt rock, over 850 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 450 degrees Celsius for our metric friends. Once it's liquid, it gets shot into a giant steel mold called a die. And not gently either. We're talking about insane pressure here. Then, boom. 5 seconds later, it cools and solidifies into the shape of a massive car part. Just like that. Think of it like pouring pancake batter into a waffle iron. But the waffle is a structural frame of a Tesla. Now here's the cool part. This isn't just brute force. Tesla's got science on their side. They've developed special aluminum alloys that cool faster, hold their shape better, and don't crack under pressure. Literally, these materials are designed for one thing: to survive the Giga press. And it's not just the casting. Everything around the press is automated too. Robotic arms handle the hot parts, sensors check for flaws, and AI keeps the system running like a dream. There's even laser scanning and X-ray inspection. Yup, like airport security for car parts. So why go through all this trouble? Because the traditional way, stamping dozens of pieces, welding them together, aligning everything manually, takes forever. Plus, more pieces mean more chances for stuff to go wrong. The Giga press? It's clean, efficient, and ridiculously fast. And this new 50,000-ton version? It makes the earlier machines look like prototypes. We're talking the ability to spit out parts for millions of cars at record-breaking speed. Bottom line? Tesla just turned the auto industry into an episode of How It's Made, but on steroids. Why this changes everything. Now let's talk impact, because this thing isn't just a flashy piece of hardware, it's a full-on manufacturing revolution. Before Tesla brought Giga press into the game, building the frame of a car was like assembling IKEA furniture. Lots of tiny parts, all screwed and bolted together. One mistake, and the whole thing's crooked. With Giga press, it's like printing the whole IKEA shelf in one go. No screws, no fiddling, just done. This shift allowed Tesla to eliminate over 370 welding robots on the Model Y production line. That's not just saving money, that's simplifying the entire factory floor. And now with the 50,000-ton press, we're going full beast mode. This machine can produce bigger parts, stronger parts, and do it faster than anything else out there. We're talking about massive cost savings, up to 50% on Tesla's next-gen vehicle platform, according to the company. That's how Tesla's planning to hit that magical $25,000 price point. And no, this isn't just another budget EV. This is something different, cleaner, faster, more scalable, and safer too. With fewer welds and joins, crash safety improves big time. Tesla's already killing it in crash test ratings, and this tech is only going to help more. But here's the jaw-dropper: speed. The old way of making a car chassis? Hours. The Giga press? Minutes. Multiply that by hundreds of machines across Tesla's factories in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and now Mexico. And yeah, Tesla's about to break the speed record for mass production. This is how Elon beats the old-school giants. Not with more money, with better machines. That 5-second Tesla car. All right, let's get into the juicy part. The mystery car everyone's buzzing about, the so-called Model 2. Tesla hasn't officially named it yet, but this is the car designed to be the most affordable EV Tesla's ever made. Rumors point to a price tag around $25,000. And yes, it's going to be built using this mega 50,000-ton Giga press. Elon's been teasing this for a while. He's called it the next-gen platform. It's smaller, cheaper, and way easier to build. But here's the twist. The entire body structure could be cast in 3 parts: front, rear, and center, then fused into a solid skeleton. This changes everything. Tesla's building a whole new factory in Mexico just for this. The layout, the workflow, the robots, all designed around this casting process. It's not just a new car, it's a new way to make cars. And let's talk speed. You've probably seen headlines saying Tesla's gonna make a car in 5 seconds. Okay, that's a bit of a stretch. The chassis is made in 5 seconds, not the whole car. But still, that part used to take hours to assemble. Now, just 5 seconds to cast the main structure. You can see how this unlocks next-level scale. Elon's already hinted at making millions of these per year. Millions. That's only doable if your production process is lightning fast. And this new press is the key. Plus, this car is going to be the base for Tesla's robo-taxi project. Fully autonomous, built cheap and fast, with the Giga press making it possible. So yeah, the 5-second car is very real. And it's coming sooner than you think. The shockwave across the auto industry. You think Ford, GM, and Volkswagen are just sitting there sipping coffee while Tesla drops these bombshells? Nope, they're scrambling. Ford's CEO said that Tesla's real edge is how it builds stuff, not just what it builds. And VW tried to launch their advanced manufacturing with the Trinity project. It got delayed. Big time. Why? Because they're stuck with old factories, old tools, and legacy systems. They can't pivot as fast as Tesla can build. Meanwhile, Tesla's already got Giga presses up and running in multiple countries. And this new 50,000-ton one? It's like dropping a bomb on the competition. It's not just a machine, it's a signal. We're moving faster than you. Catch up, if you can. Elon's endgame. You've heard Elon say it before. The machine that builds the machine is more important than the machine itself. This press? It's that machine. It's the start of factories that can build cars like you print documents. Fast, seamless, and cheap. And if he pulls it off? Tesla's not just making EVs. It's creating the blueprint for the factory of the future. Clean energy, zero-emission manufacturing, artificial intelligence-managed workflows, and cars that go from molten metal to the road in record time. This 50,000-ton press isn't the finish line. It's the launch pad. If Tesla's insane Giga press blows you away, hit that like button and subscribe for more next-gen tech breakdowns. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below.